Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to break the speed of light. Now the first thing you need to know is there's a thing called a Planck time. So this idea is that there's a shortest amount of time. Now I personally don't believe this. I believe that time is continuous. But according to modern science, to fit their math to the solution, they had to create an idea of a Planck time, which is the shortest amount of time. You can't get any shorter in time than this. Now, the idea is that you can accelerate during that Planck time. So you get a wheel and to your car, and you put a force on it, and you accelerate it. Now, you could do it with very, very small particles, like using particle accelerators and that, and Wakefield accelerators and all that jazz. And what you do is you accelerate it in that Planck time. So what it does is it accelerates to faster than the speed of light in that Planck time. But you keep on going. It starts going into reverse time. So the once it gets faster than light, you're going into reverse time. But you can keep going and keep going till it spins around, and you're going back again you're going in the opposite direction then. And then it keeps going faster and faster and faster and faster, and then you break this twice the speed of light, and then you're going forward in time again, and then you keep going around and around and around. So you could call it they do a similar trick in Super Mario called a parallel universe move, or a parallel universe they call them, where they move so fast they end up in a parallel universe. But like they run out of the universe and into a parallel universe. But the trick's basically the same. Is that if you had enough force in that Planck, in the Planck second or Planck instant, you could accelerate yourself faster than the speed of light, or several times the speed of light, and you'd come back in maybe into a range where it's no longer infinite energy, but it's just a multiple of normal energy. So you could keep getting faster and faster and faster than the speed of light, just by accelerating with enough force in that Planck instant to bypass the restraints of the speed of light that would happen because of the laws of physics after that. So that's the theory anyway. It's that's just the clock at the top trying to show you the smallest amount of time that can be recorded at the Planck second. So that's the theory anyway. So it's kind of it's just a fun little theory. It's nothing big. Next video I'm going to talk about a new kind of numbers. I think I've covered them already, but I kind of came across them again in my thinking, so I'm just going to cover them again. So thanks for watching and have a happy life.